How are y'all doing? My name is Josh Lau. I'm with 451 Technologies. So, 451 Tech. We are a software as a service targeting non-primary healthcare industries. What does that mean? We're looking at orthotics and prosthetics, speech therapy, audiology, and physical therapy, to name a few. Now, with these niche industries, they've been overlooked by the big box corporations, which leaves a void in their healthcare as well as their billing systems. So, what is the problem? As we can see here, there is a big need for an update. This looks like it was built in '95 and probably was. All this blue space is unusable work area. On top of that, it is very cumbersome and tedious to use. On average, it takes approximately 2 months for a new hire to become somewhat proficient in the system. This in turn costs the practice time and money. But the real problem comes when the practice tries to collect their insurance or their payments. So a quick breakdown, when you first go into your doctor, he sends his billing team an L code or a billing code. That in turn tells them how to fill out a form to send to the clearinghouse. Once there, the clearinghouse will scrub the claim so that the insurance company can read it. Each insurance company has different rules and regulations on what to add in the form, so that is why they are needed there. After the insurance company looks and sees that the claim is accurate, they'll then reimburse the healthcare industry, or the practice, I'm sorry. So within this industry, there's a clear disconnect between 2, 3, and 4. Sometimes, or most of the times, the software they are currently using doesn't tell them whether a claim is accepted, rejected, or needs additional info. On top of that, you can submit the claim with missing information, which causes the insurance company to reject that claim. And once it's rejected, at a minimum, it takes an additional 45 to 60 days. That in turn causes the practice to become a bank of some sort. So, what is our solution? We're looking to create a rules engine specific to these niche industries to make sure that the claim is 100% accurate before it's sent out. Now, on top of that, we're looking to create a simple, easy to use, and intuitive user interface. Now, within our system, the standard for some of the claims processed is as high as 85% as the first-time rejection rate. We're looking to bring that down to 0. So the market opportunity. The O&P market has about 3,000 practices within the US. Now, this will include multiple offices per practice and multiple doctors. And the average cost to these practices is approximately $30,000 per year. The market is currently growing at 6% compounded annually. And each of these practices, on average, order about $10 million a year in parts and equipment to build up these prosthetics and orthotics. Now, that is important later. So our initial business model is to charge $75 per doctor per month. On top of that, we'll offer additional analytics modules that are real-time that will give the CFO up-to-date data at an upcharge of $150 or $300 per month and a $10,000 setup fee. But where it gets lucrative is when we pivot. We're looking to give the software away for free once we have traction. We will create an Amazon-like marketplace where the practice can order their supplies directly from the distributor. From there, we'll charge a 5% fee, and if we multiply that by the $10 million on average of the orders placed per practice, it's roughly $500,000 per year per practice. So our sales strategy. We're looking to leverage our current beta clients. We have 4, 2 of which are the current president and past president of the accreditation board. From there, we're looking to use peer-to-peer sales to jumpstart this business. We will also debut our product at the major conferences. First one is in September, where we will demo and speak about it. So our milestones to date, we've raised $405,000. We have a working alpha, and our beta will, or should, be ready by the beginning of September. Questions?